Anushka Sharma is one such actress in Bollywood who never fails to surprise her fans with whatever she does. Be it her acting, film choice or the humor, she excels everywhere. And for her forthcoming film Sultan as well, she is working really hard. In the film, she will be seen as a wrestler, and to get into the skin of her character, she has not only learned wrestling but also mastered some of the strokes of the craft. Director Ali Abbas Zafar, who is directing Sultan, shared a photo of her from the sets doing one of the most popular strokes of wrestling, Dhobi Pachhad, and she looks perfect doing it. With this photo on his Twitter handle, Ali Abbas Zafar wrote, "Haryana ki Sherni, Dhobi Pachhad master, Anushka Sharma in action." Anushka is amazed to have been able to do this stroke as she feels she couldn't do it 2 months back when she started training. Sultan is slated to release on Eid alongside Shah Rukh Khan's Tara Reis and features Salman Khan in the titular role of a Haryani wrestler.